Microsoft has released a new servicing stack update after an older update caused problems for their users. Some Windows users experienced issues when trying to install the cumulative patches from the February Patch Tuesday. And these updates fix 56 vulnerabilities, and therefore, as always, it is recommended to install them as soon as possible to keep your systems protected. Unfortunately, due to the bug, the installation process would freeze at 24% and then just stop there. In order to fix this, users need to install the new servicing update first and then install the cumulative update, which hopefully should then work. This applies to Windows 10, 32 and 64-bit users as well as Windows Server 2016. If the user already installed the faulty patch, then they should manually reset the installed components according to the Windows guide and restart the system before they actually try to apply the new patch. Which highlights two things. First, it is always a good idea to roll out patches just to a handful of machines first, before risking that suddenly all of your machines have an issue. And of course, second, that it is a good idea to have a working backup of the endpoint before the upgrade of any software is done, because incompatibility issues still occur quite frequently. This process can be automated with the Acronis Cyber Protect solution. It allows to automatically create a backup of the system before any patch is automatically applied. And of course, this allows for a quick and smooth rollback should there be any issues with the patched software.